Syrma SGS Technology Ltd. Company has more than 4 decades of experience in manufacturing, printed circuit board assembly, box build, RFID, and electromagnetic and electromechanical parts. Company serves clients from diverse industry segment and aims to penetrate more segments through acquisitions. About 40% of the revenue is generated from the consumer segment, 26% from industrial, 8% from healthcare, 5% from railway and IT, and 21% from automotive. In September 2023, company acquired 51% stake in Jodari Digital for Rs 258 crores to penetrate the medical devices business. The company was incorporated in 2004 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2022. They are based in Chennai with more than 1,250 employees and 7,400 workers. Company has 18 manufacturing plants, 17 are located pan-India, and 1 in Germany, encompassing an area of 19 lakh square feet, and a production capacity of 6.1 million components per annum, with 65% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 8,048 crore rupees, and currently trading at 453 rupees per share. The company has a 53% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 20% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are TVS, Hindustan Unilever, Eureka Forbes, Cyanconode, Boss, Atomberg, Fast-Tag, Total Power Europe, A.O. Smith, and more. Company serves more than 280 clients from 20 countries, with revenue concentration of 74% from domestic and 26% from exports. Company has a strong network of more than 150 vendors across 20 countries. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.